I don't just want them to be supporting the police process or through my office, only through my office. I want the IGP to see them, the people that want to support the police, so we can work together to ensure this thing gets out to classroom.
So I thank you for your support, for supporting the police. It's very rare to see people coming to visit us and coming to tell us that they have come to assist us. So your visit is unique, your group is unique. I appreciate you. And I want to also thank you for acknowledging and appreciating what the Cybercrime Center has been able to do to help your business and promote your business. Thank you for acknowledging us and appreciating us. We are ready to partner with you. The Nigerian police will take advantage of your offer of partnership to modernize the Nigerian police. We want to replicate everything that we have in FCT in all the states of the Federation. Modern policing is technology-driven, so we are inclined to integrating technology in our operations. So when you talked about introducing AI to manage our checkpoints, we are very interested. We work with you to ensure that this comes to reality. So I want to thank you for coming. So I look up to a better relationship with you. So I thank you.